Room tour! This time we're in the Sofitel in Denarau, Fiji. Straight away on the right, in the wardrobe we have a safe, slippers, laundry bag and the do not disturb sign. And plenty of room to hang up your things. Turn right and we have the vanity and sink with a super large mirror. Open up this door to the toilet and a really large rain shower. In the shower also included body wash, shampoo and conditioner. Plenty of towels, rubbish bin, toilet paper, more towels. I do love towels. That doesn't open. But this one does, and it's where the hairdryer lives. PowerPoints, little drawers for your toiletries, soap, tissues and body lotion. A big sink, and in this cupboard was the minibar fridge. And in the next one is a whole heap of teas with wine glasses, water glasses, kettle and coffee cups, etc. A lovely full-length mirror. Gotta have a full-length mirror. Then on the other side of the vanity is 2 king-size beds, including a free water bottle. There is a TV on the left-hand wall, and because we checked in at night, I had to wait till the morning to show you the view from the balcony. Thanks to the Sofitel for having us.